Hi, I'm Chef Nyesha Arrington, today partnering with Morton Salt to bring you this amazing grilled avocado salad with charred lime vinaigrette. First step is grilling the limes. Amazing natural sugar in these limes, so you want to bring that out and sort of caramelize these notes of citrus. So you can take like 3 or 4 limes and just let them do their thing on the grill, as well as serrano chili, adding these natural layers of flavor to the vinaigrette. So you want about 3 or 4 limes depending on how juicy they are. So as our limes and serrano chilies are grilling, we're going to also grill some corn, which is going to be the salsa for our grilled avocado salad. For the corn, a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of Morton fine sea salt. Corn has a lot of natural sugar in it, so it will char pretty quickly. The limes are looking amazing. This is going to be the base for our vinaigrette. So we're just going to juice all of this caramelized citrus. We have about 1/2 cup of juice. That's going to go into our blender. For our charred serrano chilies, we're just going to cut the tops off and throw them in. A little bit of honey to sort of balance out the acid and spicy notes to this dish. A little bit of Morton fine sea salt. And this is going to be the base of our vinaigrette. Big fan of using the entire product. Just kind of throw them in whole. A little bit of olive oil. Tiny bit of black pepper. And we're just going to allow this to kind of process. No need to kind of blend it down too much. It's also going to retain its really green color if you don't blend it too much and heat the vinaigrette. So we're going to grill some avocado. This is the base of our salad. I love to grill them because I feel like everyone serves avocado raw and they offer an amazing sort of flavor profile and texture when you put them on the grill. I love to use salt when grilling the avocado because the avocado is so creamy. A little bit of good oil. And those are gonna go cut side down on the grill. So while the avocado cooks, we're going to prep our corn. You can kind of cut the top off, cut the corn sideways. So the benefit of using the fine sea salt is really about the salt melting into it. We're gonna place our corn into the bowl. We're gonna add some cooked black beans, really simply prepared. I love these sort of bold Latin flavors against the caramelized lime juice. Really sort of this like amazing summer feel. Then we're gonna add some pepitas. I've baked the pepitas with a little bit of kosher Morton salt. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. So we'll add a little bit of our sauce to the salsa itself and also to the avocado. Little bit of the Morton kosher salt and a touch of cilantro. Set that aside. Our avocados have had a chance to cool. They're really easy to peel. They kind of steam themselves off of the skin. The texture almost becomes a little bit more creamy. This is definitely something you want to do right before you're planning to serve them. They're so soft. So what I like to do is just sort of spoon this over. Elegantly, rustic, beautiful, all the above. Then we're gonna add some sort of like salty queso fresco or cotija works tortilla chips. We've sprinkled a little bit of the Morton salt on our tortilla chips and sort of deep fried them first, finished with the fine sea salt, and finish the dish with a little bit of picked cilantro leaves. And that's about it. Amazing, delicious salad, really simple, tons of depth of flavor. This salad is an amazing way to showcase an avocado in a new light and bring these flavors to life.